it's really the same process that happened in the presidential election. There's this president that decided not to run, and there was a candidate behind him that was a vice president, and without having to go through a primary, the people in large that are running that party decided that that person should now become the presidential candidate. Well, that process was basically a slating process, and that's been around in the state of Illinois for 200 years. I'm an attorney by background. I was trying to research it. I know I can find documentation that goes back at least a half century, and it looks like it was something that the parties had always done from the time the state was formed to give people choice. It was a matter of giving people choice. So in the middle of the election process, the state legislature, in a matter of 48 hours, under a guise of a different name bill, changed the law, and then the governor signed it and kicked 14 of us off the ballot. Turns out that we had a group that went to court for us. At Circuit Court in Sangamon County, the law was found unconstitutional. And so we were back on the ballot. Technically, we're on the ballot, but the supermajority run Democratic Illinois has decided to double down on that, and they appealed, and it's been in front of the Illinois Supreme Court now for over a month.
You know, what's interesting is that I was a slated candidate, similar to Kamala Harris. And I don't understand why it was such a problem for me to try to get on the ballot, but then they go ahead and try to just shove this candidate in our face for president in 2024.